Okay, so I have noticed that a lot of you guys, there's little things that are troubling you guys with your installs, and it's so, some of the stuff is so simple that it's difficult to explain over the text. I'm just going to show you some. So it's going to be a real quick video. Okay, so here's what we're going to do. We're going to go back to this ugly desktop view here. Okay, one of the basic things here is how do we get a administrative command prompt like this? Because there's a lot of stuff that you need to be doing in the command prompt, and it has to be elevated. Okay, elevated just means that it's given administrative rights. Another way to do that is you hit the Windows key, you type command prompt, and then you can right click on it and click run as administrator. Okay, so first of all, how do we go ahead and get that onto our system so that we can do that? First thing we're going to do is we're just going to click on our Window Explorer. We'll open this up. Okay, what you're going to do is go to your C drive. You're going to go to your Windows drive. Then we're going to go down here to System 32. All right, now we scroll down here to where it says, we scroll all the way down to the C's. Okay, and you're going to find one that's called command. There it is. Okay, so all we're going to do, we're going to left click it, we're going to drag it out here, but do not let go. You're going to hold down the control and the shift button at the same time, and now notice it says create link in desktop. So we're going to do that. Okay, then we're going to let go. Do not just drag it over there, because you'll drag it out of your folder and you'll cause all sorts of errors. Now, what we can do is we can click this and it opens the command prompt, but it's not administrative rights. So what we do is we right click on it, okay, and we're going to go to properties. Then what we're going to do is we're going to go to advanced, and then you're going to see this button run as administrator. So check that, press OK, press OK. Now when you click this bad boy, look at that. It's going to open us right into the command prompt. Okay, then you can just drag it down here onto your taskbar and it will always be there. Okay, so very easy. That's how you get that onto your system. Now I'm going to show you one other thing here. Let's say we're in a directory, we're working on something like Rope Live here. We're working on our one click and you want to run it from the terminal. Now, one easy way to get to the command prompt, although not to the administrative one, but just to the basic command prompt, is to right click and then go open in terminal. However, notice, it opened us up in Windows PowerShell. What am I to do? Because we don't want Windows PowerShell, okay? We don't need it. So what we're going to do is go up to the top here again. We're going to right click on it, and then we're going to go settings. Then over here it says default profile. Let's click that, and then we're just going to click on command prompt, okay? Now we'll press save. We're going to close it out. Do you want to close all tabs? Yep. And now, if we right click and go open in terminal, it's going to open in the Windows prompt, and it's going to open us in the Active Directory. Now, if we had to be in an administrative page, then what we would do is we could open it up. We could just get that folder, copy it, then we could go open up our other one. And we could just type, we have to get to the correct folder, and then we go CD, and then we go like that, and it'll pop us in there. Now we're in that folder, and it has administrative rights. Okay, so real easy, kind of squeezy, and there you have it. So that's how you get your command prompt going, okay? Little things like that, they make a difference, okay? Because it really helps you to get going. You don't want to be doing stuff out of your PowerShell, and when you don't know this stuff, I don't judge you. Hey, you either know something or you don't know it, and how can you know it until you learned it? So now you know, what is it, G.I. Joe says, and no one is half the battle, yo. So, all right, we'll catch up with you next time. If you have any questions, hit me up on the Discord. You can find me over my Patreon site, and I'm around. I'm here for you. Okay, we'll see you later, and you stay good.